In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a reminder in Google Calendar. This is a handy skill that can help you stay organized and ensure you never miss an important task or appointment. Let's dive right into it. First, what you'll want to do is open Google Calendar. You can quickly access it on your computer by typing calendar.google.com into your web browser, or if you're on a mobile device, simply open the Google Calendar app. Regardless of the platform you're using, the process is quite similar and straightforward. Once you've got Google Calendar open, the next step is signing in to your Google account. This is an important step because it's what allows your reminders to be synced across all devices. Simply enter your credentials when prompted, and you'll be taken directly to your calendar once signed in. Now that you're logged in, you'll need to locate the plus create button, which you'll find in the top left corner of the interface. Upon clicking this button, a drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Reminder. It's worth noting that Google provides several options under this menu, but today we'll focus specifically on creating reminders. With the reminder option selected, it's time to set the date and time for your reminder. This is your opportunity to specify exactly when you'd like to be reminded of your task or event. The precise scheduling is useful for aligning with your needs and ensuring reminders don't clash with other appointments. Once you've set this information, you have the option to adjust additional settings. For instance, if you need the reminder to recur, Google gives you a few choices. You can select daily, weekly, monthly, or even customize it to suit your specific schedule. Another handy setting to consider is how you prefer to be alerted. Google Calendar allows you to choose between email notifications or pop-up alerts. Pop-ups work great if you're generally working at your computer, while email alerts might suit you better if you're often on the go. Customizing these settings ensures that you receive your reminder in the most effective form for your routine. Finally, after you've set all your preferences, including any optional adjustments, press the Save button. It's as simple as that. Now your reminder is set and will pop up just when you need it. Utilizing these reminders can play a crucial role in managing your time effectively, helping you keep track of tasks and appointments with ease. And there you have it, a quick yet comprehensive guide on creating reminders in Google Calendar. I hope you found this video helpful and that it makes your scheduling more efficient. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to set those reminders.